In this guide, I'll walk you through the process of building an email campaign within GoHighLevel. If your goal is to optimize your email marketing strategy and connect with your subscribers more efficiently, these steps will enable you to design, tailor, and launch polished campaigns in just a couple of minutes. To get started, launch your browser and head to GoHighLevel.com. Log in with your account credentials to reach the main dashboard. Upon logging in, you will be greeted by your primary workspace, which houses all of your marketing features. Next, shift your attention to the navigation sidebar on the left and select Marketing. Even though this lands you on the site's page, we just need to take one additional step. Locate the horizontal menu at the top of the interface and click on Emails to enter the email marketing module. Inside the Email Hub, you will see three primary tabs: Statistics, Campaigns, and Templates. For the purpose of this walkthrough, choose Campaigns. This is the central area where you can oversee and manage all of your email outreach efforts. Within the Campaigns section, navigate to the right side of the screen and select the plus icon. A pop-up will emerge, serving as the launchpad for your new campaign. From the choices provided, pick Email Marketing Template. This selection lets you utilize professionally crafted layouts, helping you maintain a consistent look while saving time. You will now be shown a variety of marketing templates. Scroll through the options and pick the one that aligns best with your specific requirements and visual branding. Once you have picked a template, give the system a moment to load it into your campaign. Once it has finished loading, you will be taken to the campaign editor. This is your design studio, where you can fully personalize the email you plan to distribute. You are free to adjust the wording, imagery, color schemes, and structural components to perfectly reflect your brand. After you have completed your design, be sure to use the preview tool to see exactly how your content will appear to your recipients. This is a crucial step to identify any potential mistakes or layout glitches before you hit send. Lastly, you are ready to distribute or schedule your campaign. Input the necessary details to decide if you want the email to go out immediately or at a later date.